Why are the buttons on computer keyboards called keys? A computer keyboard is a board of keys. Why are these buttons called keys? Is it related to the usage of piano keys?
Key meaning, computing, one of several small, usually square buttons on a typewriter or computer keyboard, mostly corresponding to text characters, derives from the keys, mechanisms, of musical instruments according to etymology. Keyboard. 1819, from key in sense of mechanism of a musical instrument plus board. Originally of pianos, organs, etc., extended to other machines 1846. The verb is first recorded 1926, implied in keyboarding. Key. Musical sense of tone, note as 15C, but modern sense of scale is 1580s, probably as a translation of Latin clavis or French clef, C clef, also C keynote. Extended C, 1500 to mechanism on a musical instrument.
In my view, key is from French clef and Latin clavis from the verb claudere to close. Clavis was primarily a key to a door. French clef was also used for the parts of a piano that you touch to produce a sound. In analogy used for similar parts of a typewriter. Here, key is a kind of metaphor for a part that works like a key to a door, for opening and closing, and produces an effect as making a sound or typing a letter. I would not derive key of a typewriter or a keyboard of a computer from key as a special sign in the notation of music as piano key or bass key. So in etymology. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.